A quick review of the Atten AT191 soldering iron thermometer on the left at the lower part of the picture. It uses a K-type thermocouple element similar to the Hakko FG100 on the right. Reading 28 ambient when the ambient's only 22. So here's the soldering iron offered up to it. 455, 461 degrees indicated, ridiculously high. The iron is not that hot. We'll check on the Hakko. 380 something, 390 degrees. Let's recheck on the AT191. No mistake there, 450, 459, 461. Utter nonsense. And again, 380 odd degrees on the Hakko. The Hakko has been checked against another thermocouple meter and known to be reliable. The AT191's been tried with two different sensors, two different batteries. There's no calibration adjustments on it. The thing just produces ridiculous answers, absolute waste of time. Says something for Atten Quality and Allendale stores who supplied it.